starts with high-quality resin. These tiny pellets are melted and molded into dense preforms, the sturdy foundation of every bottle. Using extreme heat and high-pressure air, the preform is stretched and blown into its final, iconic bottle shape in a matter of seconds. Nature meets technology. The water undergoes rigorous multi-stage filtration, removing every impurity through. At the molecular level, reverse osmosis and UV light treatment ensure the water is 100% sterile and safe for consumption. Before the water enters, every bottle is flipped and deep cleaned with ionized air and sterile mist, ensuring a dust-free interior. The heart of the process. In a pressurized, sterile environment, the bottles are filled with chilled, mineral-enriched water with surgical precision. Sealed for freshness. Caps are applied instantly, followed by high-speed labeling to mark the journey from source to bottle. Ready for the world. Packed, wrapped, and stacked, pure mineral water is now on its way to hydrate millions.